Welcome back. This is Webland. Remember to like and subscribe. We want to look at grade 10 trigonometric equations. Sorry about the sound of the rain. But one thing they say about mathematics teachers is they will always be trying to teach you maths. Come rain, come thunder. Right now there is rain, there is no thunder, but we continue doing our maths. The sound of rain soothes me. I love it. But our first equation here, cos x is equal to 3 over 5, and our x is in the first quadrant between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. How do we do that? X here is equal to the second function of cos 3 over 5. X is equal to the second function, or shift cos 3 over 5. This is how you type it on your calculator. You first press the button shift and then cos 3 over 5. That is the second function of cos. And then when you have pressed equal sign, the answer there is going to be 53,13 degrees. So given the equation cos x is equal to 3 over 5, then your x will be equal to 53,13 degrees. That is the first equation. The second equation that I have with me here, it's tan 2x is equal to 1,19. Tan 2x is equal to 1,19. To deal with this one, you need to ignore this 2 here in the first step. So you just take it as 2x is equal to the second function of tan 1,19 there. Do it on your calculator there. And what are you going to get? 2x then would be equal to 49,9584. The reason why I'm taking 4 digits after the calculator there is because I do not want to round off yet. We should round off our answers right at the end. So divide by 2, divide by 2. Your x would be equal to 24,98, rounded off to the nearest 2 decimal places. That is the second one. And then the third one, my third equation there is 2 sine theta plus 1/5 is equal to 1,462. 1,462. Whatever you have in the middle here, you'll deal with it right at the end. So the only thing that we have to do in the first step here is to take our 2 to the right side. 2 is multiplying here. When it goes to the other side, it's going to divide. So we have sine theta plus 15 is equal to 1,462. You divide that by 2. When the 2 was here is multiplying, it goes to the other side of the equal sign, it divides. And then when you have done that, we now want to get the value of theta plus 15. We get that by saying shift sign of what we have here, 1,462 over 2. And this is going to be equal to 46,97 degrees. So theta plus 1, 5. But we are interested in theta, so the 15 which is being added to theta here goes to the other side. It becomes theta is equal to 46,97 minus 15. And when we subtract 15 from this, we get 31,97 degrees. So that's how we solve this trig equation. Just remember, what we have here in the middle, we only deal with it here at the end. Just like we did here, the 2, we only divided by 2 at the end. All right? And here is the last one. I don't know if it is true we save the best for the last, or we save the easiest for the last, or the most difficult one for the last. But trig equations are not that difficult. This is 4 sec x minus 3 is equal to 5. 4 sec x minus 3 is equal to 5. Remember, sec is the reciprocal of cos. And we also have cosec, which is the reciprocal of sine, and then cotangent, the reciprocal of tan. So we have 2 steps here that we have to deal with. First, we take this 3 to the other side. We have 4 sec x is equal to 5 plus 3. That gives us 8. 4 sec x is equal to 8. And then divide both sides by 4. We have sec x is equal to 8 over 4, which is equal to 2. Sec x is equal to 2. Let me write it. Sec x is equal to 2. Remember, when we deal with reciprocals, if you have sec x, remember sec x is equal to 1 over cos x, right? Sec x is equal to 1 over cos x. So this one, to convert it to cos, is a matter of flipping it. So if sec x is equal to 2, cos x will be equal to 1 over 2, right? Because this 2 is 2 over 1. So if we flip it, it's going to be cos x is equal to 1 over 2. Now we can deal with our x. X is equal to shift cos 1 over 2, which is equal to 60 degrees. This is how we deal with trig equations. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the closer you come to perfection. Enjoy.